First time in 6 years back at Midvaal Raceway.
So yeah, we're at Midvaal today. First time I've been here. Quite a cool track, I must be honest.
It's a great day out, learning the track.
This year we decided to change things up a bit. So this year we're running it counterclockwise, which
It's a lot faster than what we used to.
personally really fun track, something different.
Had some good competition from the Lotus 7 guys and from other fellow Scooby guys. Michelin Cup is great. It's got a little bit of everything, all sorts of events. It's really the best all round.
And definitely come back.
Super fun. On to the next one.